Easy lift equipment drum haulers continue to be the most ergonomic solution for gripping, lifting, transporting, weighing, or dispensing drums since 1997. This video is designed to assist in the training and safe operation of your drum hauler. Before operating any of our drum handling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. To begin, connect the battery cable to the corresponding SB175 connector located on the right side of the drive frame. Drum haulers are shipped charged with the battery cable disconnected for safe travel. Turn the red emergency switch clockwise to energize the unit. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, battery, and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous use. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To start the unit, turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the Candis indicator. In the top right side of the Candis display, the speed setting will be shown. Starting mid-2019, all drum haulers, excluding EE-rated units, feature an electronic speed controller that is equipped with 3 travel profiles. This allows for factory customization of travel parameters, including maximum travel speed that can be preset from 0.93 to 2.8 miles per hour. Unless otherwise specified at time of order, maximum travel speed will be factory preset for all 3 travel profiles at 1.8 miles per hour. To switch between the travel profiles, press the button under the letter P to switch between P1, P2, and P3. Seen in the center of the Candis indicator is the battery discharge indicator. On a full charge, drum haulers should run between 12 to 16 hours. When the discharge limit is reached, the lifting function is cut out. Travel and lowering are still enabled to ensure an operator can safely lower a drum and return the unit to a charging area. If a fault is detected during startup, any error codes will be displayed in the top left of the Candis indicator. Select errors will show a warning light with an image representing the area to inspect. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should verify that all functions are working properly. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on both the top and bottom of the tiller handle. Drum haulers equipped with a hydraulic clamp include a magnetic-backed control box on a coil cord to provide remote rotation and clamping functions. This includes controls for rotating left or right on side rotation models and forward or backwards on forward rotation models. The top rocker switches control the clamping function. Operators must press the red safety switch to enable the clamp function. This requires operators to activate 2 switches to clamp or unclamp a drum in order to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. Also located on the tiller handle is the horn button, as well as the green thumb control, which is a variable speed control and allows the drum hauler to travel in a forward or reverse direction, and a red emergency stop button. If the red emergency stop button contacts the operator when moving in reverse, the drum hauler will stop and move forward to help prevent any injury. A turtle button is located on the underside of the tiller handle to provide a creep function for precise positioning. All drum haulers are designed to work in confined areas. Featuring a completely counterbalanced base frame requiring no outriggers for stability, most models are designed to fit through a standard 30-inch wide by 84-inch high doorway opening. Movement up ramps or sloped floors should be completed with the operator walking behind the load. Movement down ramps or sloped floors should be completed with the operator walking in front of the load. This is done to maximize the weight applied on the drive wheel to increase traction and control. Drum haulers are available with a single or 2-stage mast configuration for lifting drums up to 144 inches. Drum haulers are designed for heavy-duty, high-volume applications with select clamps and modifications which enable capacities up to 1,500 pounds for even heavier applications. To assist in safe operation, drum haulers starting in mid-2019, excluding EE-rated units, are equipped with a lift cutout feature. The lift function is automatically cut off after about 6 to 7 seconds, approximately 20 to 24 inches high. As soon as the lift switch is released, lift is enabled immediately and can be re-engaged quickly by the operator. The optional MAC charger is a dual-voltage AC charger. The charger is therefore provided with both a 110 and 220 volt connector. The operator must select the appropriate connector and ensure the charger is set to the correct voltage via the switch at the bottom center of the charger. To begin charging, ensure the drum hauler is turned off. Continue by plugging the charger into a wall outlet. Next, unplug the SB175 connector from your drum hauler and connect the charger cable to the battery. It is important to ensure the charger is only connected to the battery and not to the drum hauler, as this could cause damage to the unit or charger. Once properly connected, the Mac charger will cycle through a series of lights, ensuring a proper connection. It will then begin charging after a few second delay. Once the orange charger on and red incomplete lights are lit, charging has begun. The red incomplete light will stay lit until the battery reaches the orange 80% charge. Once fully charged, the green charge complete light will illuminate. When charging is complete, disconnect the charger from the battery and reconnect the battery to the drum hauler. Please refer to the manual for complete charging instructions. When handling heavy plastic, fiber, or tapered drums, it may be necessary to add either a pony hold down or foot support to reduce the risk of slippage from the clamping jaws. Both the CR and FCR clamping jaws have two pre-drilled and tapped locations for easy installation. The foot support faces out to enable clamping of the drum from a pallet. After clamping and lifting the drum, the foot can be adjusted up or down as needed and rotated into position. The pony hold down provides a similar support to ensure a secure hold when the drum is rotated. Both supports are constructed in stainless steel for cleanliness and durability. Both CR and FCR clamps allow the clamp to grip drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter. Both clamps feature an optional small drum adapter, which enables the clamp to grip smaller drums down to 14 inches in diameter, or a pail adapter specifically designed for handling 5-gallon pails. The small drum adapters are comprised of two individual curved sections with white non-marking rubber vulcanized to the metal curves. The sections are installed over each side of the clamp, then locked into place by inserting a stainless steel pin and cotter pin. The adjustable clamping pressure option permits the operator to lower the factory set clamping pressure exerted on the drum depending on clamp and application, such as when handling lightweight fiber drums or sensitive drums subject to impressions. All models are available with optional scales for intrinsically safe or non-intrinsically safe areas for dispensing the contents of drums by weight or performing inventory. Scales are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into other containers on floor scales for batching. FM-approved EE rating is available for customers operating in hazardous environments. Standard features include safety orange powder coating for durability. For food or pharmaceutical applications, drum haulers are available in an FDA-approved epoxy gray powder coating as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. Drum haulers are available for a wide range of drum handling applications. Our lift and transport series are designed for picking, transporting, and placing a single steel, plastic, or fiber chimed drum. An EG3 single clamping mechanism is included, or an optional EG4 double clamping mechanism is recommended for handling open top, plastic, or fiber drums. A 24-inch extended reach option is ideal to allow operators to grip or release drums from one side of a 48-inch wide pallet when all four sides are not accessible. Our clamp and rotation models are available with a CR clamp for gripping 20 to 24-inch diameter drums and providing 360-degree endless rotation. An extended reach CR clamp is available when the need to grip or release drums from one side of a 48-inch wide pallet or to access a recessed manhole is required. Our FCR clamp for gripping 20 to 24-inch diameter drums rotates 180 degrees forward and provides approximately 16 inches of reach from the front of the base to the lip of the drum when in a 135-degree pour position. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.